For large intestine 14, you're going to find the bottom of the deltoid muscle, which should be right around here. Now you can roll off the deltoid, find the bottom, and find the middle, and then you just want to go slightly medially to the middle, right around here. Now you can press down on this point for 1 to 3 minutes, and you could do some nice circular kneading as well. This is said to be a good point for lymphatic drainage problems at the neck or for feelings of weakness in the upper arm. You want to hold this point, and then after you've completed this point on this arm, you want to make sure to do it on the other arm as well. Large intestine 15 and triple warmer 14 are on either side of the deltoid. Large intestine 15 is at the top of the deltoid in the front depression of the shoulder, and triple heater 14 is at the top of the shoulder in the deltoid in the back depression. These 2 points can be massaged at the same time. So you can take 2 fingertips on this point here in the front and 1 in the back, and then you could do some nice circular motions, or you can go up and down, massaging both of these points at the same time. And this is going to be really good for anyone who has frozen shoulder. Lung 2 is located about 6 finger lengths away from the midline, right around here, and it's going to be underneath the clavicle. This is located in the depression just underneath of that clavicle there. With this one, it's said to be good for a fullness feeling in the chest, and it helps to stimulate lung qi. You can press in on both points at the same time and do a nice circular motion. You could also work with deep diaphragmatic breaths in this point, making sure to do about 5 to 10 deep breaths as you work through both of these points at the same time. Gallbladder 21 is located midway in the shoulder from the neck to the end of the shoulder. So it's right around here in the upper traps. Now you're going to want to do this point on both sides at the same time. You can use some thumbs or you can use your fingertips as well. I like to use my thumbs in this area. With this point, you want to hold for 1 to 5 minutes. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to release this point, and you can do some nice circular motions and also use your body weight to bring your thumb more into the muscle. Hold with a firm, steady pressure, and then release on the inhale when you're done the 1 to 5 minutes. Small intestine 11 is located in the middle point of the shoulder blade. So locate the top and the bottom, and then right in the middle portion of the shoulder blade on both sides is small intestine 11. This is said to be a good point on an emotional level for releasing mental chaos, for increasing mental clarity. So at this point, you're going to want to hold for 1 to 3 minutes. You can do some nice circular motions in a clockwise manner for 1 minute. And you can also do, for the last minute, counterclockwise. And then finish with a static hold for 1 minute.